Number 10, a bus makes a stop at 2:30, letting off 15 people. So they're getting off, let's think minus 15, and letting on 9. The bus makes another stop 10 minutes later to let off 4 more people. How many more or fewer people are on the bus after the second stop compared to the number of people on the bus before the 2:30 stop? So let's kind of think about this. Let's just guess that there were 30 people on the bus before. We took away 15, then we added 9, and then we took away 4 more. I want to find out how that compares to this original amount. Okay, we want to decide, did they get more or less people? So 30 minus 15, well, that's 15, plus 9 minus 4. So it's grouping those together. 15 plus 9 is 24, minus 4 is 20. So we had 30 at the very beginning of this story, and now we have 20. So did we have more or less before? Well, let's see. Let's see what they're asking. How many more or how many fewer are on the bus after the second stop compared to the number of people before? So there are 10 fewer, because we had 30, now we have 20 people on the bus. Number 11, Kate and Elena were playing a card game. The stack of cards in the middle had 24 cards in it to begin with, so we're starting with 24. Kate added 8 cards to the stack. Elena then took away 12 cards from the stack. Finally, Kate took 9 cards from the stack. How many cards are left? I see 2 positives and I see 2 negatives. I want to regroup those. 24 and 8 makes 32. Negative 12 and negative 9, well, those are both negative. So let's see, negative 11, let me grab those counters. There's negative 12 and negative 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many does that give us? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 32 minus 21, well, let's do that right here. 32 minus 21. 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. There are 11 cards left in the stack. Number 12, write and solve a word problem that can be modeled by addition of 2 negative numbers. So, how about, I don't know, how about you're adding 2 negatives? So, maybe like negative 10 plus negative 11. We want a word problem. So I want words. So my bank account was at negative $10. I added 11 more dollars to my debt. And let's ask the question. How much is my new balance? Now, hopefully that's not true. Hopefully my bank account isn't negative. But you've got 2 negative quantities here. I want you guys to get creative. I want you to do number 12 on your own. I gave an example. Money is usually pretty easy to work with negatives. Temperature, okay, could be pretty easy. It could be like super cold. It could be negative 15 degrees out and maybe get even colder because then you're adding more negative temperature. However you can think about it, I want to see your answers. I want you to get creative with it. Let me know if you have any questions.